In applicable dimensions file tab on the VAT rate per dimension setup, you can first define a starting date from which date that this setup should apply. I then first have the 2 global dimensions and then the 6 of my shortcut dimensions. Depending on your setup in choosing managing dimension, whether you had used an actual dimension string or managing dimension, it would look at these columns. Here, where I've only set up managing dimension, for department, it will only look in the department code for applying the setup. But here I can define for which dimension values that this setup should apply. So I only choose for the social projects. And I then lastly define which VAT product posting group that this combination of this account number and this department code and this dimension value should trigger. I can add as many as I would like to. And I can difference between them. And the same if I choose the actual string dimension. I can now combine my department code with other dimensions. So now the configuration will only be triggered if I post on one of these 2 accounts and apply the project code and the department code with one of these dimension values. It will trigger the VAT product posting group defined in this setup.